Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to create a file in SharePoint Document Library from Power Automate Desktop. So please watch this video till the end so that you can understand it completely. And if you have not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, please subscribe it. So let's get started. Here you can see that I have this SharePoint site. In this SharePoint site, I have a document library. And then I have these properties: title, description and name. Now what I will do is I will go back to Power Automate Desktop, and here what I will do is I will take a screenshot. Okay, after taking the screenshot, I will upload that file in the SharePoint Document Library. To take the screenshot, I will use take screenshot action. Here I will choose primary screen, or you can choose all screen, select a screen if you want, right? But that you will have to specify, and you can also use foreground window, right? But for now I will choose primary screen. After that, you can save the screenshot to the clipboard or to the file. So if you choose the clipboard, the screenshot will be available in the clipboard and you can paste it using the Ctrl V, right? But if you want to save it in the file system, in that case you can specify the file path, and here you can choose the format of the image, right? So here what I will do is I will choose the file path. I have specified the file path, and now here I will choose JPG. I will click on save, right? After that, what I need to do is I need to convert this file into the binary data. I will copy this file path, click on save, and then I will type binary. I will use convert file to binary data. Reason behind converting this file to the binary data is that when you use create file action of the SharePoint, it will accept the binary data to create the file in the SharePoint document library. I will click on save. Now I will go to SharePoint. You can see SharePoint is a premium connector in the Power Automate Desktop, so you will require that premium license. After that, I will choose create file. Now I will specify the site address, and then you need to specify the folder path, and here you need to give the name of the file. So here I will give the name as image, let's say 2.jpg, and you can use the binary data here, right? After that, I will click on save, right? And if you noticed, in the SharePoint document library, we had description and the title, right? To update those properties, what I will do is I will use update file properties action. Here again I will use the SharePoint site and then document library, and here I need to specify the ID. So I will use the property of the create file. So I will go to create file response and then ID. In the title, I will specify a screenshot. In the description, I will give this is the test screenshot. In the content type ID, I will use document, and then I will click on save. And now I will run the bot. The file has been created. Now here it is saying that argument ID must be a numeric value. So what I will do is I will open this action and then go to ID, and from here choose create file response and choose item ID, and then click on save, and then I will run the bot. File has been created and the properties also have been updated. Now I will check the SharePoint Document Library. Here you can see that the file has been created in the SharePoint Document Library, and you can see the title is a screenshot and the description is what we have given. So this is the test screenshot, right? So this is how you can create a file in SharePoint Document Library in Power Automate Desktop. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comments section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.